Before heading away on any trip, you need to make sure that your trailer is in tip-top condition so you don't have any hassles on the road. You need to make sure that it's hooked up correctly, the tyres are in good condition, and the spare tyre is in good condition and full of air. Doesn't matter if you've hooked up a trailer once in your life or 100 times, it's always great to do a second look over before towing off. When I first started driving, I got told to do the 5-point check, and it's something I remember to this day. Make sure that your hitch is hitched correctly, your handbrake's off, your cords are all hooked up, your D-shackles are on, and your jockey wheel's up. It's also a good idea to carry spare fuel on board. It might be a little bit of extra weight, but if you get into trouble, you're going to be glad it was there. You need to make sure that your batteries are fully charged and that your fridge is hooked up and on the right temperature. If you've used it as a freezer before, the last thing you want is getting to camp at the end of the day and finding your beers frozen. It's always a good idea to check your wheel nuts before you head off. You need to make sure that your wheel nuts are nice and tight, but not over tight, and that you're running the correct tyre pressure. For those with water tanks, make sure they're full at the start and monitor them along the way. You don't want to run out of water. You also need to make sure that your gas bottle is full and secured. All right, well, looks like she's good to go, and so am I.